Of the whole, we would have had them run of the whole hotel. Oh.
Boys, can do right now. Let's go. Take it to him.
Heat on 3! 1, 2, 3! Heat!
Let's go, boys. Shut down right now.
Joe, you gotta, those high throws, you gotta look out for us, okay?
Outfield 3!
Look alive, Jake. Run, 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 run. Run, run. 1.5 ball. No, it's in the gap. Get to second base. Get to second base. It's on the fence. It's on the fence.
Hey, we got to hit with them, right? We got to hit with them. Let's go. Corner away. Marco, down on the ball. Lady.
He's walking straight to you.
There we go.
Run, come on, come on, come on. Right here, Marco, right here. Come on, Luke. Go for stride, kid. Never know, Marco, go. Never know. How about that, son? Find it. Take it.
Back.
Hey. Dig it. Run through it. Way to go, man. Way to come get it, right? Wait on it. Stupid.
Boys, come on over here, help yourself out.
Way to go, Ann.
Walter, what are you, the peanut gallery?
You want some for Ann?
Big secondary.
He's seen it. Go. Yeah. Make a turn. Make a turn. Ready, Murph. Hey, watch it, man. Watch it.
Come on, man.
All good. Also down.
Come on, good job, boys. No, you're good. Plenty good. Run. You got it. Up.
Take it. Run through the bag.
Run through it. Keep running through it. Run all the way through the bag.
Jay.
Back.
That's what we gotta be emotional.
Ground ball.
Go in.
Go! In and out. Come on, work. Run it out.
Good job, good job.
Nice job.
Way to check him.
Way to go. Way to go, boys. Okay, let's get some hits now. Let's get some. Let's get some more.
Ball.
Yeah!
Come on, get
Go.
Come on, get there. Up. Hold the bag.
Yeah!
Get there.
Run out, ready to run? Hey, way to get him in, Jaden. Way to get him in. Sack. Nice sack. Nice sack, Club.
Way to go, 5-2.
Hey, way to get the inning, boy. Denzel alarm. Run.
Got it.
Great spot. Gotta go pound some more, boys. Let's go. Let's go pound some more. Let's go. Good job, fellas. Great job. Run it out. Run it out.
All right.
Run it out.
Here you go, team. You ready? Be ready to go in.
Straight up.
Come on, Derek. Third baseline.
Back. Run. There we go, Anthony. Good job. All right, we need some runs, boys. Let's go. We need some runs.
Good job, Ant.
Oh, jeez. What happened?
Taking crowd shots. Yeah, Naomi's not feeling well. So.
Josh on that camera. He likes to be on film.
The crowd's got to go wild. Come on.
Down, it's down!
I like the gloves, Luke.
You're out of there. Come on, more. Run! Back!
Pitcher!
Go! Spark, are you ready? Hey, you never know. That's very shallow.
Boy, Ant.
I don't like it.
Get it in! Where the suit,
Drake.
Yeah!